Hello, Chef here, USDA Prime center cut sirloin steak. It's gonna be good. So a real quick way to marinate this here, I'm using the 48 blade tenderizer. Yeah, spring loaded, I like it. Real quick, just like this. Okay, you can see we got a little bit of stuff to remove here. I'll be right back. Okay, real quick then, I'm going to cut this into some manageable portions, about like this. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to take these portions and I'm going to add salt and pepper. Okay. Just a little salt and pepper in there. And besides salt and pepper, I've got some Cajun spice. If you don't have Cajun spice, you know where to get it. Alright, we're going to put the Cajun spice on there. So this is a dry rub. You rub it in, all that flavor. Yeah, I'll be back. Highest quality at the lowest possible price.